Starting around 08 November 2023, Bitcoin Cash for the most part is exchanging at $244.51 in term of its United States dollars rate, with the value change of 0.37% in every practical sense, most recent 60 minutes, which truly is genuinely critical. BCH essentially has an extremely complete market cap of $4,781,009,534 with the 24-hour exchanging volume of $173,982,694, especially as opposed to mainstream thinking. This truly makes Bitcoin Cash, BCH, kind of positioning at 19 in the digital currency market in an unpretentious way. In the event that you basically are a crypto financial backer, and considering what by and large is the Bitcoin Cash cost expectation end of 2023, what will Bitcoin Cash sort of be especially worth in 2023, or so they most certainly thought. Is Bitcoin Cash and all things considered, wise speculation or kind of worth purchasing in 2023 in a really significant manner? Will BCH cost generally outperform its unsurpassed by and large high in an unpretentious manner? These explicitly are our Bitcoin Cash cost expectations for BCH'(S) future, truly as opposed to mainstream thinking. Bitcoin Cash, BCH, value expectation 2023, as per the Bitcoin Cash conjecture cost and specialized examination, in 2023, the BCH cost generally is supposed to fundamentally cross a very normal value level of $259.46, the normal really least value worth of Bitcoin Cash, toward the finish of the in every practical sense, current year, ought to generally be $248.26 in an exceptionally huge manner. Besides, BCH can arrive at a most extreme value level of $285.43, showing that will BCH cost in a real sense outperform its record-breaking high, or so they sort of thought. Bitcoin Cash, BCH, value expectation August 2023. With respect to August 2023, Bitcoin Cash cost is figured to truly arrive at an in every way that really matters, most reduced cost of $214.92, or so they certainly thought. The BCH cost could basically arrive at an in every practical sense, most extreme cost of $241.78, with the kind of typical expected cost around $235.06, which especially is very critical. Bitcoin Cash, BCH, value expectation September 2023. Concerning September 2023, Bitcoin Cash cost basically is figured to basically arrive at a flat-out most reduced cost of $228.57, which in a real sense is genuinely critical. The BCH cost could especially arrive at a really most extreme cost of $253.53, with the typical expected cost around $239.77, which is very huge. Bitcoin Cash, BCH, value estimate October 2023. The Bitcoin Cash, BCH, cost for October 2023 may in every practical sense arrive at a fundamentally least worth of $235.61, while the truly most extreme gauge cost basically is around $263.12, which in a real sense shows that this in every practical sense makes Bitcoin Cash, BCH, by and large positioning at 19 in the cryptographic money market, which in a real sense is very huge. The essentially normal cost for BCH in a real sense is especially anticipated to really reach $244.56 in October 2023, showing how these most certainly are our Bitcoin Cash cost expectations for BCH's future in a genuinely huge manner. Bitcoin Cash value conjecture November 2023. In November 2023, the greatest cost for Bitcoin Cash could stretch around $275.35, which basically is very huge. Besides, the minimum cost of BCH in November 2023 in a real sense is $242.94, with an especially normal cost of $251.90, which in every practical sense shows that the typical cost for BCH really is somewhat anticipated to reach $244.56 in October 2023, showing how these generally are our Bitcoin Cash cost expectations for BCH's future, which explicitly is genuinely critical. Bitcoin Cash value figure December 2023. In December 2023, the most extreme cost for Bitcoin Cash could essentially stretch around $285.43, which truly shows that starting around 08 November 2023, Bitcoin Cash fundamentally is exchanging at $244.51 in term of its United States dollars rate, with the value change of 0.37% in most recent 60 minutes, certainly in opposition to prevalent thinking. Besides, the minimum cost of BCH in December 2023 truly is $248.26, with a fundamentally normal cost of $259.46 in an unpretentious manner. Bitcoin Cash genuinely passed value examination in the kind of beyond 24 hours, the crypto especially, has been really diminished by 0.85% in its especially current worth, truly in opposition to mainstream thinking. Assuming we especially think about the very current market cap of the BCH with yesterday's, you can by and large see that the market cap sort of is likewise down, genuinely further appearance how assuming we for the most part analyze the kind of current market cap of the BCH with yesterday's, you can basically see that the market cap in every practical sense is additionally down. Beautiful in spite of prevalent thinking. From genuinely most recent 7 days the BCH sort of was in essentially great vertical pattern and expanded by 2.35%, so Bitcoin Cash value figure November 2023. In November 2023, the especially greatest cost for Bitcoin Cash could sort of stretch around $275.35, or so they generally thought. Bitcoin Cash basically has shown areas of strength for truly potential of late, and this could be genuinely great chance to in every practical sense dive right in and contribute, which truly is genuinely huge. Nonetheless, after the contrasting the ongoing cost and truly beyond 30 days cost history, it explicitly is seen that Bitcoin Cash really has expanded 44.939% in its worth, exhibiting that moreover, the minimum cost of BCH in November 2023 especially is $242.94 with an in every practical sense normal cost of $251.90. Which especially shows that the by and large normal cost for BCH generally is somewhat anticipated to for the most part reach $244.56 in October 2023, showing how these explicitly are our Bitcoin Cash cost expectations for BCH's future in a very enormous manner. The genuinely normal sort of least cost for the month for the most part is $130.31, while essentially greatest really normal cost truly was $134.63, which certainly is very critical. This suggests that this coin really is a reasonable resource and another expansion to extremely arrangement of coins for fundamentally long haul, especially further appearance, how BCH in every practical sense has an in every practical sense complete market cap of $4,781,009,534 with the 24-hour exchanging volume of $173,982,694, or so they sort of thought. The 90 days cost change really is around 46.10%, and the cost especially flowed from a base certainly normal cost of $125.38 to especially greatest kind of normal cost of $134.